Did you know that vinegar is a great ally for your domestic chores? In today's video, you will learn how to make citrus vinegar for house cleaning. The main component of vinegar is acetic acid, which has high disinfectant and degreasing powers. It is not for nothing that it is found in most industrialized cleaning products. Did you know that? Using this substance in its natural version is cheaper and doesn't harm the environment. To make this multi-purpose vinegar spray, you will need the peels of citrus fruits, lemon or orange, vinegar, and water. Now, put the peels in a spray bottle and cover them with vinegar. Let the mixture sit for 2 weeks. Then remove the peels and add water to the vinegar, following the proportion of 1:1. Your multi-purpose citrus vinegar spray is ready for use. You can use it on stone, porcelain, ceramic, granite, and laminate surfaces. Avoid using it on marble surfaces as it may erode with time. You can also add some cinnamon sticks or pineapple skin to vary the fragrance. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Now let's see another easy trick, removing mold from your cabinets with vinegar. Did you know it was possible? Your cabinets are already clean, but that moldy smell won't go away? Empty the cabinet and put a glass of vinegar inside it for 24 hours. Your cabinets will be odorless. Your house will be clean, smelling good, and much more sustainable. Now that you know how to make your own citrus vinegar cleaning spray, start saving orange and lemon peels to make it. Then share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.